Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can allow or block any Win32 application installation only during the autopilot. So there are many scenarios where we want to install any Win32 application only during the autopilot phase or only install the application when machine is not in the autopilot phase. So let's see how we can do this. So to do this, let me first open the company portal and I will show you how you can allow or block this particular Notepad++ exe application to install during the autopilot or outside the autopilot. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to go to the Intune portal and we have to go to the app, and under the Windows application, we have to search for that application. So this is my application. So what we have to do, we have to go to the properties and then we have to create a requirement rule. So let me edit the requirement, and inside that we have to add a requirement rule and we have to select the script based requirement rule, and then we have to upload the script. So let me upload the script. I already downloaded that script and that is in my download folder, and I will share the script link with you. And then we have to select the string and the operator is equal to, and then we have to add the value called Windows Autopilot is running. So now we have to update the requirement rule with this information, and then we have to click on OK and click on review and click on save. Now whenever we are trying to install this application will only going to install when the machine is in out of box experience window. So let me show you. Right now my machine is not in out of box experience window. If I am running this application or if I'm installing this application, I will see a message called requirement not met. Now we can see the requirement not met, and if you open the logs, so let me open the log in the CM trace, and the log name is agent executor.log. And now here we can see that in the output, we can see that Windows Autopilot ESP not running because machine is not in the ESP phase. That is why this application is not showing as required. Now, if you want to install this application outside the autopilot, what you have to do, you have to just update the requirement rule. Let me go to the requirement rule again and edit the requirement rule. And in the requirement rule, we have to just change this with this Windows Autopilot ESP not running, and click on OK and click on review and click on save. Now, if we are trying to install this application and open the logs, and now we can see that the application is started downloading and installation. And here we are able to see that machine is not in the OB screen or machine is not during the autopilot. That is why the application is now started downloading and installing. If we go to the company portal, we can see that it started installing the application. And now we can see that the application is successfully installed. So this way you can allow or block any Win32 application to install only during autopilot or outside autopilot. And now last thing, I just want to show you what is there in the script. So if you open the PowerShell script, so in this script, we are only detecting a process called cloud experience host broker.exe. So this is basically an exe which is located in this location, C Windows System 32. And this exe is basically responsible to manage the Windows out-of-box experience and Windows Autopilot processes, including your initial user steps, Microsoft Enter ID enrollment, and policy and application installation during the provisioning or during the autopilot phase. So that is why we are detecting this particular process. And if the process is running, we are saying that Windows Autopilot ESP is running. If this process is not running, we are saying that Windows Autopilot ESP is not running. So this is how you can control the installation of your Win32 application during the autopilot. So that's all for this video. I will see you soon in my next video.